Okay, phase 2 of our burn line for our fence line here. We went ahead and took the Burnomatic, the most ultimate torch, and we did a line down this fence line a week ago, and then we cut it short on both sides, and then it rained a whole bunch. And the line here, you can see there is the grass in it has wilted away, and so we started a grass line fire, and now it's just following that deadline. So you can do it where you burn it all the way through, and you can use the torch, or you can let it work its way through the line, saving you a ton of fuel. Now you got to watch this. You can't let this go, and you can only do it at certain times. Definitely one of those things that you want to have experience with. This is not something I would recommend for a typical homeowner. Having grass short, making sure the wind isn't too strong and that it's blowing in the right direction if you have any wind. This is something where you want to team up with folks with this. Or get your local fire department involved. And if you're going to do controlled burns like this, it's better to have professionals do it. But you can clear a fence line very quickly this way, and it can be done in a way where it's controlled, so you can see the fires just following the line in a very slow and controlled pace. If you have some water along with you, you can make this work. But again, this is more of a way to do this in a fashion that is, you got to know what you're doing, and you don't want to do this with a lot of wind. You don't want to do this with tall grass. You want to do it after a really soaking rain, so all this ground has moisture in it, and take all the precautions you can. But it's a great way to burn a fence line before we're about to put up our 7-strand electrical fence, and we need to make sure that underneath the fence we can get that last line as close to the ground as we can within that 6-inch mark. So that's how you burn a fence line.